Learn these cleaning tips, save a house a year. 1. Don't throw away the oil drum at home. Put in a spoonful of rice, squeeze some detergent, pour in white vinegar, a few tissues, pour in warm water, close the lid, shake it hard a few times. The oil drums are clean. 2. The vegetable basket that has been used for a year is stained all over the body. First, put the dirty vegetable basket in the container. Add detergent. Sprinkle with baking soda. Pour on a little white vinegar. Let stand for 2 minutes. Then pour boiling water. After the water turns warm, just shake the basket a few times. The vegetable basket is immediately clean as new. 3. Pour in boiling hot water. Appropriate amount of salt to scrub the surface dirt. Baking soda cleans up deep dirt. White vinegar sterilization. Then gently scrub with clean little hands. Finally pour in boiling water. This way the cutting board is as clean as new. 4. The gas stove has been used for a long time. There will be a thick layer of oil stain. Pour in detergent. Sprinkle with a layer of baking soda. Pour in white vinegar. Let them fully dissolve. Wipe it lightly with a rag. Clean as new. 5. Don't use the steamer directly if it burns. Add a few slices of lemon. Pour in a caddy of white vinegar. Add water above the burning position. Cover the pot and cook for a few minutes. Finally, gently brush off the black dirt on the bottom of the pot. Just pour out the water. 6. There is dirt on the bottom of the stainless steel pot. Pour white vinegar and table salt on the bottom of the pot and apply evenly. Apply the gap on the edge of the pot as well. Cover the bottom of the pot with a tissue. Pour on white vinegar. Let stand for 10 minutes. Wipe slowly with a scouring cloth. It's clean again.